Hi, I'm Nikki DeRoest and I'm the Clean Beauty Makeup Artist for bareMinerals. And today I want to show you how I take my daytime look, which I have on right now, and transform it into night. So it's just a really cool, edgy, but still simple look that's really, really beautiful. I want to use this Gen Nude blush, and the color is called You Had Me At Merlot. So I'm actually going to use this as an eyeshadow, which a lot of times people kind of get nervous about putting a red on the eye, but I want to show you how beautiful it can be. I'm just going to actually start with taking this and using my finger to apply, which also kind of is very simple and saves some time. I usually end up using my ring finger and starting in the center of my eye and just dusting that to get it all onto my eyelid. I'm going to use also this color as a blush, and then I have a similar lip color. Initially, I've got that onto my eyelids. I'm taking this little blending brush, this is called the blender, and tapping that into my blush. This is how I'm kind of smoothing and connecting that through my crease. It looks really cool on everybody. And then I'm just gonna add a tiny, tiny bit to the underneath, softening any of the edges. I love the Lashtopia. I think it's such a great mascara that you can really build. You can really create 10 times the fullness, which is amazing. I always scrape off the brush a little bit, and especially if I'm touching up my mascara at night, I kind of focus more of the product towards the ends of my lashes because I want to really lengthen and dramatize them a bit. I always like to add a bit to the bottom and just kind of build them up a little bit more. I want to amp up my highlight and add a little Bare Pro Glow. So I just tap a little of that onto the top of my hand, and then I'm just going to kind of put that onto the high point of my cheekbone and press it in. And this is kind of just a really natural glow, as you can see. I just want to add a little bit of enhancement to my cheeks. So I'm going to use this Blooming Blush Brush. It's got a nice angle to it, and this is called Let's Go Nude. And I'm going to just give myself a little bit of shape through my cheeks. It's a nice matte finish, so you don't have to worry about having shimmer in the wrong place since we've already highlighted with our glow in the right place. So I'm kind of just buffing that around and swirling it and a little bit down the neck so it all just kind of blends together. This looks scary for a blush, doesn't it? Normally I would be scared too. That's why I'm going to use this really fluffy brush. This is called the Supreme Finisher. You don't need a lot, you just need a little bit. I'm gonna grab my compact, and I'm just starting right on the apple, and then just blend, blend, blend. So you can see how that kind of ties the eye together, makes it all make sense. I think it's always important with makeup to look at it closely so you can check out the detail, but also seeing what you're going to look like from afar. So you need both perspectives. What's happening now is I'm putting this Longwear matte on my lip to finish. I'm putting it onto my finger because I want it to be lived in and diffused. I want kind of the wash of the tone, but I don't want it too overpowering either. So really press it in to really get the product in so it stays. And I think we're there. So I encourage you all to try this because we've got the clean glamour. We know our skin is feeling fresh, but then we can add a little pop of color to make it sizzle. I hope you enjoy.